Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you how to tag someone within Google Sheets. This process is very straightforward, so simply follow these steps. First, click on the cell where you want to mention the person. Navigate to the Insert menu at the top and select Comment from the list. In the box that appears, type the @ symbol followed by the email address of the person you wish to tag. After entering the email, press Enter. You can then assign the specific item to them by checking the assignment box and clicking Assign. The person will receive a notification immediately. You will then be prompted to share the document with them, where you can choose to make them a commenter or an editor. You can also enable link sharing with editor permissions or choose not to grant access at all. I recommend sharing it specifically with that user and setting their permission to commenter. Click the Comment button to finish. You should now see that the cell is assigned to that person. That is the simplest way to tag others in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing. I will see you in the next one.